Hello and welcome to our very first video with me and Venza behind the camera. Today we are going to show you how to make a hookah in 3 easy steps. What else do you want me to do? So the first thing we are going to need is a hookah. And we're gonna fill it with water, about this high. This level should be okay. We will see when it's full. So as you can see, the water level should be about 1 centimeter above the last hole of the diffuser. And that should be ready, and we will get to packing the bowl. So the most important part about preparing the hookah is preparing the bowl. So this is like one of the easiest ways to make a bowl, like how to make a bowl for dummies. That I would call it that way. Just no hard parts, nothing complicated. Just put it in there. It's not like rocket science or something like that. Just put it just about that amount, should be okay. And you want to straighten the level of the tobacco, just like this. Making the process a little bit slower so you can see the details. And you see the level of the bowl is like 2 to 3 millimeters from the top of the bowl to the tobacco, and you make a little hole in the middle. And you should get rid of these parts, you don't want that in your bowl. And like that, you have a ready bowl. It should be good up for smoking. So as you can see, everything is ready. They are using the heat management system instead of the aluminum foil because we are lazy and it works better. And as you can see, we are using the coconut coals, not the quick fillet ones, but these are natural. Takes a little bit longer to heat them up, but works perfectly. Right now we are getting the hookah ready with 4 coals, and we are going to wait for about 5 minutes until the hookah is ready.
5 minutes later.
And right now 5 minutes have passed and the hookah should be ready. And right now your hookah should be ready, and you can sit down and relax, enjoy the smoke, and don't forget to blow out the smoke that is stuck in the base of the hookah, like this. And that's all from us for today. We'll see you in our next video, when we will tell you some differences about different types of hookahs, different types of bowls. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. We will probably answer, or probably not, we will see. And that's all. And don't forget to hit the like button, hit the bell button, subscribe, and all this stuff. Happy smoking!